In this video, we will cover the inventory count function in Axacute. To complete the inventory count process, you are going to utilize both the web and the mobile function in Axacute. Before you get started, first, create an inventory count batch. At the home page of the web view, go to Transaction, select Inventory Count. Click on the Add button. You can specify the warehouse where you would like to perform the inventory count and assign a batch name. Note that the batch name must be unique in the same warehouse. Click on the Save button, and then click on the Add Count Sheet button. On the next screen, click on the Filter button to bring up the list of the inventory. You can enter a specific location or a specific item information to filter the list, and click on the Add button to add the selected lines. If you already have a decision in mind on the location to perform count sheet, you can specify the location in the outer filter to narrow down the list of the inventory. If you would like to perform counting for a particular group of items, utilize the product code filter for the counting. After you have selected the desired item, click on the Add button. You can delete the unwanted item by clicking on the Delete button. Click on the Next button if the selection is completed. In the preview form, click on the Generate Count Sheets button. Counter is the employee who is going to perform the inventory counting using the mobile scanner in the warehouse. You can assign different counter to different count sheet, or you can use the Batch Assign function to assign the same counter to all the count sheets. Click on the Release Batch button to release the count sheet. You can print the inventory count sheet for your employee to refer. To perform an inventory count, open the mobile view. At the home page, click on the Warehouse button. Select Inventory Count. Select the warehouse for the counting. Use your mobile device to scan the employee barcode to input the employee ID. There are 3 statuses for the inventory count. Counted indicates that the counted quantity matches the system cutoff quantity. Uncounted indicates that no counting has been performed yet. Exceptions indicates that the counted quantity is different from the system cutoff quantity. For a fresh count, go ahead and select Uncounted and click on the Next button. Click on the item and batch to count. Verify that the item information in the batch matches with the physical item and batch details. Perform a physical count of the item and key in the counted quantity. Click on the Process button. After all the counting process has been completed, you can review your count sheet on the web view. Select the count sheet to be reviewed and click on the Review Sheet button. Then, click on the hyperlink under the sheet number to review the counted quantity. On the View Count Sheet page, Axacute will show you the details of the item, the cutoff quantity in the system, quantity counted by the first counter, and the variance between counter 1 and cutoff quantity. You can click on the Edit button to enter a second counted quantity. If the review is completed, click on the Post Counted button. Axacute provides 2 options for you to post the quantity by either the first counter or the second counter. If you have more than one item to post, make use of the Post All by option to post by batch. After you have made up your mind on the posting option, click on the Post button. A success message will be prompted if the posting is successful. Now, the inventory balance in your warehouse will be readjusted to match the quantity that you have just posted. Thank you for watching this video.